Boom, I'm back with another video, guys. Hey, I'm on my boy Eli today.
Yo.
We had a little spot, you know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. Well, if you know somebody, you can come in here, but if you don't, man.
That's on you, son of boy.
Alright. But yo, shout out to Hustle 10 for the hoodie, though. It's a nice hoodie. Very comfortable. The links below. If y'all want to go shop for it. But yeah, bro, we finna catch a big bass and get on them, guys. Without further ado, though, make sure y'all follow us right here in the link below. Let's get to this fishing. Alright, got first fish of the day, guys. First fish of the day, small guy. He ate it. There is some big ones in here. Eli caught a 5-pounder out here, so some big fish out here. Guys, caught one right here on curry tail worm. It's a good size. She swallowed the dang on hook. She swallowed the hook, guys. Look at that. Nice size fish right here. Nice size fish, guys. She swallowed the hook. Jeez. Well, she really swallowed it. It's kind of like right here. Got it out. Got stuck again. Alright, guys, got it out. Nice size fish. Hold on, let me get some water. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, guys, look, 211. Okay. Big girl. Shirt. Boom, I'm back again with another video, man. Hey, look, my boy C's out here with you.
What up with you, man?
Hey, look like that. Hey, shout out some shit out though.
Oh yeah, JC's on all platforms. You can find me JC's333 on Twitch too. I do stream and we do all of that. We also do the fishing.
Yeah.
Get back, Jay. Get him back.
Yeah, hey, look.
Boom! You know we just pulled up.
My boy Eli with me, man.
That's how you do
My
that.
boy Caleb in the back.
Y'all heard that little? Yeah, I heard it.
Yeah, so yeah, we finna catch some boys today, man. Hey, y'all go follow our boys. It's gonna be a link below. Make sure y'all just like, comment, subscribe. It's gonna be a movie. Let's get it.
Oh, what up, Mike? Get hurt. Get hurt.
She feel a little decent too. I ain't gonna lie, she pulling.
Oh, damn, you way out there.
First cast. First cast, bro. Craig, she fighting hard, but I'm still like pull her in.
And then when you first about to jump, then push her right there.
Come here, baby.
Jay got his first fish on the board.
Come here.
You camp already like what, 5 fish up?
Small little deep. Yeah, I had switch runners on. It's gonna be over right now. Come on here.
Man, stop playing, bro. I done whacked so many fish. Cause I'm still trying to read it. I'm
Ooh, don't fall in. You know you want to. So it's still cold now.
Okay, can you see if they can see me? It's right there in front of my back. You might gotta turn the back on. Get her!
Okay, see?
Get her!
I'm gonna see on.
Yeah, they can see you.
Yeah. I'm gonna see old, boy. Stop playing, my boy.
Time to drive, time to drive.
Wow. She was right there, too. I know. You went for that pack like 4 or 5 times.
Get her!
First number 2, baby. First number 2, baby.
Number 2, baby.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, she not even fighting no more. She not even fighting no more. She not even fighting no more. Clear day. Oh my goodness, calm down. Ah! Don't hook me. Don't hook me. Don't hook me. No!
Get her, Caleb. They're literally eating.
We fighting crazy right now. Look, my boy Caleb on too. This video fire.
Mine's a pipsqueak though. Yo, yours could eat mine.
5 weeks.
Damn, he definitely could. Yours could literally eat mine. Hey, that was fire.
Oh look, he right here. Yeah. And still got the word.
Tight shit, tight shit,
Tight shit, tight shit.
Type shit. Type shit.
Oh my gosh.
I told you, Steve, you're gonna hook. Tighten the drag, tighten the drag, tighten the drag.
My boy C's on. Right guy. Right guy, yo.
Yes, sir. Wait, Caleb, can it see everybody? Can it see us?
Sure.
Don't reel all the way up, don't reel all the way up.
They're getting big, guys.
That's my bad boy.
Get big, I'm jig. On one. Come on, jig, guys. On the top of the head, guys. Look at that perfect cast. Perfect cast top of the head. Like a blue jig. On the jig. Yes, sir, guys, on the jig. Look at that. You already know me. You already know me. Type shit.
Type shit. Type shit.
Nice little pal. Oh yeah, Straight Kings. I think this is a heavy swim jig, and then a 6 cents trailer. Look at the 6 cent trailer. That trailer looks fire. Yeah, shout out to 6 cents and Straight Kings. I'm not sponsored, but 6 cents, if you watching this video, man, hey, hit your boy up, man. Y'all products are there for 5. Got her. Yep. Got her.
That's my bad boy.
Yeah. Smoke this thing.
I thought it was like a 5 pounder.
Smoke this thing, guys. Yeah. Smoke this thing. I know she's gonna eat it. I told y'all. I told this bone go crazy. Bro, she kept, I ain't see her striking it. She was short striking the mess out of it. Oh my gosh, she's so far away. Oh my gosh, she ate it again. I got her this time. I got her, yeah, I got her this time. I got her this time. Oh my, she's so big, you see her? She's fighting crazy right now, guys. I hope y'all seen that on camera, bro. That was sick. Yo, they fighting. Oh, she's hooking on the back. Y'all see this, bro, now? Bro, look at this. Guys. Bro, what the heck is this?
Wipe it the second time.
What
That's
the-
not how you grab it. That's not how you grab it. That's not how you grab it. That's not how you grab it.
How am I supposed to grab it, Eli?
That's my bad boy.
That's literally what I just did.
No, I thought you was about to bear hug that thing. Here. Let me see this.
So I got crushed. Of course, he wanted to grab it. Right. Boom, back again on another video. Hey, look, I got my boys with me.
Yeah, I know what it is. Mr. Hold on, wait. Mr. Hold on. Mr. Lifeguard. Yeah, you know what it is.
I got my boy Hunter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, man, we out here in our little world. Hey, look, we finna get on this big fish, man. Hey, before we get to the video, like, follow my boys. Let me link in the bio. And let's get to this
Oh yeah,
fishing,
if you
man.
don't follow me, I'll help you break your rod.
Hey, but without further ado, man, let's get to this fishing, bro.
No, bro.
Got one. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Oh god. Yo. Guys, look at this. I colored glidfish. Oh my gosh. Yes, on the sponsor. Yes, I'm recording right now. Yo. This thing is monstrous. You see this, guys? Oh my. Yes.
I'm gonna get him to picture.
Fucking monster, dude. Sure, guys.
Let's get pictures first. No. Can you hold her with the hooks in?
Yeah.
Okay, bet. You're gonna have to, one hand. 4-2. All right,
4-2,
let your
right?
fish go. Yeah, let it go. We scratch her. Doing a lot of stuff like this, you wanna revive her for a little bit like this. And then, when you said she getting tensed up,
Yeah.
all right, she good now. Watch this. She going. Good shit.
Boom, man, that's the end of this video, guys. If y'all like this video, man, make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe. I'm on the road to, let's say, 100K. I'm on the road to 100K right now. I'm trying to grow up there. I'm getting close, guys. So I keep liking the videos, so I keep liking and subscribing. And I'll keep dropping these more banger contents like these guys. Yeah, man.